This is SDG 5 and it's titled Affordable and Clean Energy for Japan, and this is Ashlyn Stoker. So, this is the issue with producing clean energy. So, for many decades, fossil fuels such as coal, oil, or gas have been major sources of electricity production, but burning carbon fuels produces large amounts of greenhouse gases, which ultimately causes climate change and have harmful impacts on people's well-being and the environment. This affects everyone, not just a few. Moreover, global electricity use is rising rapidly, and in a nutshell, without a stable electricity supply, countries will not be able to power their economies. So just under 1 billion people of the world's population already do not have access to electricity. 16 out of 20 countries with the largest defects in electricity access are in Africa. So, clean energy in Japan. Transitioning to renewable energy has its challenges. The cost of solar energy in Japan is high, land use restrictions limit the potential for wind power, and Japan's power grid is segmented and consists of smaller grids with weak interconnections. Even so, a net zero society is still a feasible goal for the nation. In 2021, renewables made up about 22% of the total electricity generation, which is 2 percent points higher than in 2020. Solar and wind power have become much more prominent thanks to the Renewable Energy Act, which became effective in 2022. This act defines renewable energy as solar, biomass, wind, geothermal, and hydropower. Additionally, the Japanese government is planning on establishing wind power as a cheaper energy source than thermal energy and aims to reach this goal by 2035. Japan aims to accomplish this mainly by increasing the generation of wind energy. Making wind power is more affordable and will be especially impactful for low-income communities because low-income communities in Japan have a much higher energy poverty rate than their more wealthy counterparts. This is a graph that shows the total primary energy supply for Japan. As you can see, coal, oil, gas, and nuclear power mainly make up all of their energy supply, with renewable energy only producing a small amount. So this is what Japan is trying to change. And these are 4 ways that I suggest that Japan should use. These are technology creating clean energy in Japan. The first one is wind power by having windmills and turbines in Japan. As they said, with the Clean Energy Act, they will start doing solar power, including solar panels to generate more clean electricity, hydropower using water and the waves, and then lastly using bioenergy. All 4 of these are very doable from now until their deadline, which is 2035, to start using more clean energy sources for Japan.